Former Citizen Coalition for Change, Triple C leader Nelson Chamisa, says Zimbabweans must look beyond the Southern African Development Community SADC to address the political and economic crisis in the country. Sanavena mashoko anoadresiwa naNelson Chamisa achiti aiwa ngatitarisirei paSADC Summit apa notibva subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tipinda munyagwa muchinzi Zimbabwe will next week was the 44th SADC summit in Harare, which will see President Emmerson Mnangagwa becoming the ceremonial head of the regional board for 1 year. Chamisa told The Standard in an exclusive interview that SADC as a referee should not stop players from playing if it fails to make certain decisions. SADC is not the ultimate answer to the problems we are facing, he said. We must fix our challenges and find answers to our questions, but SADC is not the ultimate or the whole answer. God is. Ndikuona Nelson Chamisa ari kutaura his role aiwa panapa achinkareja vakomana kandi vanhu vanotungamira achiti aiwa isusu let's take action kuti musi wa17 toita plan yekuti tinonosvika tinoadresa issue yedu kuti SADC inyasi kuona kuti tiri serious, because otherwise tikasanoadresa maconcerns edu hapamborina change inoitika munyika yeZimbabwe. Ndramira achiti we must fix our challenges and find answers to our questions. Anoti aiwa we are the ones who are going to fix our challenges. Tikangogara hapana chinoitika. Chibotudzai mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pemashoko anobuda achitaurwa panapa mupepa nhau akataurwa naNelson Chamisa. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu, musano subscribe or like channel turn on the bell.